Social workers are very important for our children in this school. Our students oftentimes need additional support. They are part of that solution to helping that child get to school every day. And when they get there, they're there to support that child's regulation and mental health.
My goal is always going to be connection. It's connecting with our students, staff, and families. Social workers are that bridge between the schools and the community, connecting through our actions and our behavior, our body language, and how we play.
I just really like working with kids, and I really like just making sure that the kids get what they need. We're making sure that everybody in the building is regulated and able to do their job. Social workers help them calm their body down, figure out what the problem is, and help them find their own solution to that problem before getting them back to class.
We're hands-on in the building, and we can pretty much do anything. We can do the care calls, we can regulate students, we can answer the door, we can greet parents. A kid can walk in and you can see exactly, if their shoes are too small or clothes aren't fitting, you can immediately address those needs. How can I help you? What do you need today?
We partner with places like Let's Help, Scent, Harvesters, a few other community organizations. It's important that these kids have this resource because they have something that they can go to that they know will always be there.
I think that's a really huge, important service that we're able to provide kids so that they feel more comfortable coming here and just, becoming a part of just the whole school community.
I'd like to say academic success isn't always just about academics. And the social worker, you folks are amazing, and being able to drill into what that student needs and find solutions that are sometimes mental health and sometimes that emotional health. About 25 years ago, there were 14 social workers in the district. Today, there are 42. Every single building has one social worker dedicated to that space. All the dedication to student well-being directly results in academic success.